In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up account balance alerts for better budgeting. First, open up the Chase mobile app on your smartphone and sign into your account. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Select Manage Alerts from the menu options, then choose the specific account you want to set up balance alerts for. Under the balance and spending category, find the balance alert option. Set your desired balance threshold that will trigger that alert. Then choose your preferred delivery method alert. This can be email, text message, or push notification. Then tap Save Changes to confirm your alert settings. Then repeat 4 through 8 steps for additional accounts you want to set up balance transfers for. For more customized budgeting alerts, in the balance and spending section, you can also set up alerts for transactions over a certain amount. Under the payments category, set up payment due reminders to help you stay on top of your bills. Consider enabling security alerts to be notified of any suspicious activity on your account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.